We welcome you to this press briefing by Macmillan Medical Training College. Macmillan Medical Training College is an institution of higher learning, having our campuses in Nairobi, Mombasa, Eldoret, and Nakuru. We offer various certificate and diploma courses. By mention, we have diploma in nursing, accredited by the NCK. We have the EMT, the perioperative theatre technology, mortuary science, orthopedic trauma medicine, nutrition and dietetics, health service support, CNA, and health records and IT. We also offer short courses, that's phlebotomy, first aid training and BLS training, hospital administration, and health insurance. We also offer language courses, and we have a good program for us today. That's on the scholarship program. We welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Madam Principal. I have a press statement here. Today, we are launching the Afya Bora Scholarship Program and Women in Tech Empowerment Program. Good morning, members of the press, distinguished guests, partners, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me first to sincerely thank all media houses, bloggers, digital publishers, content creators, partners, and invited guests for honoring our invitation today. Your presence here is deeply important because today's event is not simply about a college launch or an institutional program. Today's event is about the future of the Republic of Kenya. It is about the young person who has completed Form 4 but cannot afford college fees. It is about a young man who has done his bachelor's but cannot get access to international programs for masters. It is about the talented girl or woman from an ordinary family who dreams of entering the technology space but lacks opportunity. It is about the healthcare worker shortage affecting hospitals and communities. And it is about whether education in Kenya will continue to favor only a few, or whether it will become a tool for national transformation, equal opportunity, and economic empowerment. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenya today faces serious challenges. Thousands of young people graduate every year into unemployment and hopelessness. Families are struggling economically, healthcare systems remain overstretched. And at the same time, the world is rapidly changing through technology, digital innovation, artificial intelligence, and global competition for skilled labor. As institutions of training, we cannot remain silent observers while the future of our young people hangs in the balance. That is why Macmillan Medical Training College has made a deliberate decision to become not just an educational institution, but a solution-oriented institution. Today, we are proud to officially launch the Afya Bora Scholarship Program, a transformative initiative aimed at empowering the next generation of healthcare professionals through full and partial sponsorship opportunities for deserving students pursuing accredited medical and healthcare training, and the women in Tech Empowerment Program, a fully sponsored initiative for women aged 18 to 40 years in partnership with Near Innovation and Technology Training College, aimed at bridging the digital divide and increasing women participation in technology, innovation, and the future economy. These initiatives are designed to give young Kenyans access to opportunities that many thought were beyond their reach. We believe that talent should never be buried because of poverty. We believe that students from Kibra, Turkana, Mathare, Kisii, Migori, Garissa, or any of this country, or any part of this country deserves the same opportunity to succeed. And we believe that education must now become practical, employable, innovative, and transformative. Ladies and gentlemen, these initiatives are fully aligned with the Kenya Kwanza administration's bottom-up economic transformation agenda and are implemented within the framework of accredited TVET education under TVETA and CDAC standards. This ensures that our students receive quality, competency-based, practical, and nationally recognized training that responds directly to Kenya's workforce needs. Macmillan Medical Training College is committed to producing graduates who are not only qualified academically, but who are employable, competent, compassionate, innovative, and globally competitive. As the government continues to push for universal health coverage, we must remember that healthcare systems cannot function without trained healthcare personnel. Hospitals cannot function without healthcare assistants, caregivers, community health workers, emergency responders, nurses, digital health support staff, and other medical professionals. Private medical colleges like Macmillan are helping this country train the healthcare workforce that Kenya urgently needs. We are complementing government efforts. And yet, despite this contribution, thousands of students in private institutions continue to face major barriers in accessing educational financing and support. Today, respectfully but firmly, we wish to urge the government of Kenya to rethink this matter. Children belong to Kenya. Dreams belong to Kenya. Talents belong to Kenya. Kenya should be the land of limitless opportunities where the grounds for realizing potentials are fertile, and students studying in accredited private colleges is still a Kenyan child deserving support, opportunity, and dignity. We therefore call upon the government to consider expanding HELB and other educational funding opportunities to deserving students in accredited private colleges and TVET institutions. Because this is not merely an institutional issue, it is a national issue. If the country is serious about reducing unemployment, strengthening healthcare systems, fighting poverty, and empowering the youth, then support must be based on need and potential, not simply whether one studies in a public or private institution. This discrimination must stop. Ladies and gentlemen, we are also extremely proud of the Women in Tech Empowerment Program we are launching today. Globally, technology is shaping economies, industries, healthcare, education, and communication. But women continue to be underrepresented in technology and innovation spaces. We cannot speak about digital transformation while excluding half the population from the digital economy. That is why this fully sponsored Women in Tech Empowerment Program is important. We want women from ordinary Kenyan families to access opportunities in programming, innovation, digital entrepreneurship, and emerging technologies. We want them to compete globally. We want them to participate in the future economy with confidence and dignity. These initiatives also align with global development priorities under the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, including quality education, gender equity, decent work and economic growth, innovation and infrastructure, and good health and well-being. At Macmillan Medical Training College, we believe Kenya does not lack talent. What many young people lack is opportunity, and institutions like ours must become bridges between talent and opportunity. To the media fraternity gathered here today, we thank you sincerely. Your platforms have the power to restore hope to young people who may already believe their future is closed. Your coverage can help us reach vulnerable students, empower communities, and spark national conversation about equal access to education and opportunities. We therefore ask for your partnership in amplifying this message across the country. Finally, I wish to thank our partner staff, students, parents, and supporters who continue to believe in the vision of Macmillan Medical Training College. We remain committed to practical training, employability, innovation, healthcare transformation, and youth empowerment. We are committed to being part of the national solution. Thank you very much. God bless you, and God bless Kenya. A good morning.